Has it tiller? So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, there goes Johnny's. Got his sail up now. My luggage made it. All my man of war sail bags. Really cool. My backpack, my valleys. So let's go below and have a look-see. Wow, look, he's got the table all set for me. Here's my little galley. Oh my gosh, tea! Wow! Oh, it's making a noise. A little tappa-tappa noise. Oh, look what a beautiful mug. Wow. It's gorgeous. Oh, wow. Electrical panel. Oh, fancy schmancy. There's my solar controller, I guess, is what that is. Got some milk. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna be hard pressed to drink all that milk, but no refrigeration. Bronze ports. Oh, she's got curtains. Probably dispense with those. Oh, little artwork, little knots, in case you forget. Barrel knot. Let's see, this was the ice bag? No, that's just dry storage. That's more dry storage. Wow, a ton of storage. Where's the ice box? Maybe this is the ice box. Cute little brass ledge. Oh, yep, that'd be the ice box. Oh, look, it's full of food. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna eat all this food all by myself because I'm in quarantine for 2 weeks. Sink. I wonder what that water came from. Drinking water, nice. Oh my gosh. Oh. Press my tummy and I will sing to you. Avery loved Harmony mascot, the frog. Shall we try him? Oh, is it like Harmony the frog? I didn't know the boat came with a mascot. How cool is that? Hi. Hi. Cookies. I will sing to you. Oh, brownies. Brownies with no nuts for me. I gotta wash my hands before I touch anything. Oh my gosh, all this cheese. There's no way I can eat all this food. Oh, and he made me bread. Fresh bread and full of fruit. Wow, that's kind of making me hungry. You can put your... Wow. Oh, she's nice and breezy. Oh, we have artwork. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. That looks like Harmony to me. Oh, look, happy birthday. Look at the instruments, how cool. 84 degrees. 60-some% humidity. I'm not sure that's accurate. It seems more humid than that. We're gonna have to quiet that rattle, whatever that is. That's the clock, which Looks like it might be accurate. 10:30, is that possible? Wow, the rebirth. Oh gosh. Wow, look at all this junk. This is all Kathy's stuff, I think. Solar reflectors. Oh, for the solar oven. I'm not sure what's in there. Leaky port. Leaky port. Wow. So I guess we'll be rebedding ports. Oh, there's tools and canned goods. Oh my gosh. Oh, my new oars. Oh, look at the oar locks. So cool. Wow. Oh, there's the head. I don't know how to work it. I'm going to have to read the directions. It's been so long since I had a marine head, and it's coming out just as soon as I can get it out of there. Oh my gosh. Look here. My bill of sale got all damp. There it is. She's mine all night. Interest transferred to Moa. Nice. That's so cool. Wow. Place for your towel. Not sure what this means. First out. Huh. Oh my gosh, there's underneath here. There's the Iron Jenny. She's got a Volvo engine. We're going to have to get familiar with that. Oh, there's an outlet. Oh, that's interesting. I'm sure it's not working at the moment. Leaky port. Okay. That's cool. Well, I guess I'm gonna shower. Try to get any trace of virus that might be on me. My first morning on Harmony. My little galley is very cluttered. But I'm gonna work on that today. And outside where I slept very beautifully with a breeze in my face all night. And the moon is setting in the pink sky. The Culebra flag out there, so cool. I think it's the Culebra flag. It's not the Puerto Rican flag, I don't think. Oh my gosh. This place is incredible. Can't believe how gorgeous it is. My little sweet Harmony. She's so beat up though. Look at her. This is going to be an early job, is to replace this on here, because this doghouse is, what do we call it, Dodger. This is not, look at the poor thing. She's a mess. This is meant to come down to here and be like a windshield. One of the reasons I chose the Cape Dory is because she not only has standing headroom below, but she has all that floor space, so I can do my yoga. Now I'm debating whether I should clean the floor before I put my yoga mat down, and I'm kind of anxious to get going because, you know, it's daylight and there's so much to do. So not sure what to do. Probably just do my yoga. Get over it. Put my tea on. That's what I need to do. I need to figure out the stove. This stove is not supposed to be used below because the propane can leak into the bilge and blow up your boat. So I'm supposed to pull it out here, but it's awfully breezy and I don't think that's going to work. Maybe it would work. Do it right there. Anyway, I need to get my tea water on. Figure that out. Fire is on for my tea. Hey! Well, I managed it. I got my yoga done. Got my tea made in my cup from my very first boat named Skybird. Unfortunately, I found a multitude of forks on the boat and not a single spoon except for this one camping spoon, which is not really working for me. And believe it or not, there is no church key on this boat either, so I had to open my condensed milk with this camping church key, which luckily I found, but it poked the tiniest hole and it took forever for the milk to come out. So church key is on the list. I am all dressed up with my hat and glasses, and I am going for my first excursion off of Harmony. This is my Harmony. Isn't she a mess? She's going to be great then. So I got this new dinghy. There's the oars. And there's my ding-ding out there. Trying to decide if she is going to be... The boat's name is Harmony, the big boat. So the dinghy needs a name to go with Harmony. So my first thought was Melody, but Harmony supports Melody and not the other way around, so that's backwards. So I was thinking, I did a little searching since I'm here in Puerto Rico, and I searched for Spanish musical terms, and I came up with breve, which is brief or short, which I thought might be perfect for her. And it's sort of a little masculine too. I don't know if it's actually masculine, but I think the dink might be a boy, because I don't know, I just feel like I'm getting a little masculine vibe from it. So of course it has John's name on it, but that's gonna go away soon. I managed to successfully get in the dinghy. I think he likes the name Breve. We'll see. Here's my baby, my Harmony. Isn't she sweet? Look at how beat up she is though. Oh, it'll just break your heart to see. Look at her. I know she doesn't like me showing you this, but we're gonna get this all fixed. Aren't we, dear? She and I have been bonding. So she's a Cape Dory 28. She's a little girl. Oh, look at that mess. And she was damaged in the double whammy of Irma and Maria here in Culebra back in 2017. There's my girl. She had a wind vane self-steering system, which is now gone, but should be replaced. This is the backstay right here, and it's gonna get replaced. It's part of what holds up the mast. There's my Culebra flag. It was a board that Johnny put up for me. These boats are very well built. They're all the hardware is bronze, which I like. And she has what John calls good bones. There's a bronze cleat, which makes me very happy. And there's more of that rail. Bulwarks broke out. And there she is. There's more damage. All her stanchions. She has 3 stanchions left standing. The rest are gone. But her boom is still there, and her mast is up, and her bottom needs a clean really bad. we got a reef growing down here. Go forward. These fenders need some attention. That's on the list. Let's see, what else? My dear. My baby. Oh, the solar oven is cooking. I wonder if I can see. Oh, I like this dinghy. There's some potatoes in there, and she's not quite up to 200 degrees yet. It's not very sunny today, so it's not surprising. This is the mooring ball, which I am negotiating to acquire. In spite of its current condition, it is good on the bottom, which is where it counts. So probably gonna buy it. It's not very expensive. Oh, check it out, we dare too. Poor baby. Oh, poor baby. Ah, there's where the bowsprit was attached. There was a sprit came off the bow, and this is the wire that holds the mast up in front. Attached to the end of the bowsprit, but the hurricane made short work of that. There's only one other boat here that is occupied, and it's that trimaran right there. A man named Larry. He hasn't come over to meet me yet, nor have I gone over there, because I'm supposed to be in quarantine, sort of. I'm in self-imposed quarantine now. None of these other boats are occupied. This over here is Whale Watcher Paul's boat. He's not here either, but he's gonna be back someday. All right, I guess I better get rowing because otherwise I'm gonna float down to town. Oh boy. So I'm in there doing some research on the engine, and I come in here to look because I hear this water running, and it's like a catastrophe. Water dripping in here like crazy. Oh my gosh, it's like, ah! What in the world? Hatch leaking. As you can see, my friend put notice on here, leaking falsate. Look at that. It's pouring in. It's not even raining that hard. Oh my gosh, luckily the previous tenant had an abundance of towels because the water, oh my gosh, what a mess. Oh boy, the joys of boat ownership.